Best airs. Different models offer varied features suited for specific jobs. Some are ideal for chiseling, while others excel in cutting or breaking. Proper maintenance extends their lifespan. Investing in a reliable air hammer saves time and effort. Explore top-rated options to find the perfect match for your needs. This guide will help identify the best air hammers available today. Happy hammering! List number: Ingressol Rand 114 GQC Air Hammer. Experience the power of the Ingressol Rand 114 GQC Air Hammer, designed for efficiency and versatility. This compact tool features a 3PC chisel set, including a tapered punch, panel cutter, and flat chisel. It boasts a 2 5/8" stroke and 3,500 BPM for fast, effective results. Lightweight and easy to handle, it offers superior control and comfort during use. Perfect for various applications, this gray air hammer combines durability with convenience. Advantages: crafted for precision, the Ingressol Rand 114 GQC air hammer excels. Its lightweight design ensures easy handling during extended use. The compact size allows work in tight spaces effortlessly. Included chisel set offers versatility for various tasks. Smoothly tackle punching, cutting, and chiseling with ease. The tapered punch, panel cutter, and flat chisel cover all needs. Efficient performance is guaranteed with 3,500 BPM. Quick, accurate results every time. The 2.5" stroke enhances power delivery. Durability stands out with robust construction. Long-lasting tool for frequent use. Gray finish adds a touch of style. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Perfect choice for automotive, construction, and home projects. List number: Ingersoll Rand 119 MaxK Vibration Reduced Long Barrel. Experience the power of the Ingersoll Rand 119 MaxK air hammer with its impressive 2,530 BPM performance. Designed with a long barrel and vibration reduction, this tool ensures comfort during extended use. The 5-piece chisel set offers versatility, making it perfect for various tasks. Enjoy the convenience of its 3.5" stroke and round shank, which enhance precision and control. Ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking reliable, efficient equipment. Advantages: effortless operation with reduced vibration ensures user comfort and safety. Long barrel design delivers powerful impact for tough tasks. 5-piece chisel set provides versatile options for various applications. Round shank enhances tool durability for long-term use. 2,530 BPM maximizes efficiency in projects, saving time. List number 3. Ingressol Rand 135 MaxK Vibration Reduced. Experience comfort and efficiency with the Ingressol Rand 135 MaxK Air Hammer. This tool features vibration reduction technology, minimizing hand fatigue during extended use. Quick change capability allows for seamless transitions between tasks. With a powerful 2,600 BPM and 3" stroke, it tackles tough jobs with ease. The included 5-piece chisel set offers versatility for various projects, ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Advantages: experience reduced vibration for enhanced user comfort and safety. Quick change design allows fast and easy chisel swapping. Delivers powerful 2,600 BPM for efficient material removal. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. Includes a versatile 5-piece chisel set for various tasks. List number: Prochi 150mm Air Hammer Kit, 4 chisels. Discover the efficiency of the Prochi 150mm Air Hammer Kit. Equipped with 4 chisels, it tackles tough jobs effortlessly. This pneumatic tool delivers 4,500 BPM, ensuring powerful performance. Perfect for shaping, cutting, and smoothing materials. Designed for durability and ease of use. Prochi provides reliable tools for your workshop needs. Advantages: efficiently tackles tough jobs with high impact force. Ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Includes 4 chisels for versatile applications. Perfect for varied surfaces. Operates at 4,500 BPM for quick results. Saves time and effort. Pneumatic design ensures consistent power. Reliable performance every use. Compact 150mm size enhances maneuverability. Fits tight spaces easily. List number: 5. Ingressol Rand. Ingressol Rand. 115 Standard Duty. 5. Discover the power of the Ingressol Rand 115 pneumatic hammer. It delivers 5,000 blows per minute for fast results. Perfect for metalwork and home repair. Comes with a 5-piece chisel set to tackle various tasks. Designed for comfort, ease, and reliability. A great choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Advantages delivers 5,000 blows per minute for efficient performance. Perfect for quick tasks. Includes a 5-piece chisel set for versatile applications. Tackle various projects easily. Offers standard duty power suitable for most DIY needs. Ideal for home repairs. Ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during use. Reduces hand fatigue. Reliable pneumatic power for consistent performance. Dependable for everyday use.